Got a little problem here. It's a conditional probability problem for a Cambridge test that I'd like to review with you guys. It's one that causes a lot of confusion, and I'd like to see if I can clear that up. So if you would like to try the problem, go ahead and try it on your own and just pause the video, and then I'll work you through the solution here in just a minute. Okay? So for those of you who are ready, here we go. It says that Claude goes on the bus to school, and the probability that the bus is late is 0.1. It says if the bus is late, then the probability that Claude is late is 0.08. The thing that's interesting about this is these are related, but just because the bus is late doesn't guarantee that Claude is late. So it's kind of an important distinction to make. Now it says if the bus is not late, so if it's on time, the probability that Claude is late to school is 0.05. So more than likely, if the bus is on time, then so is he. So the first part says calculate the probability that the bus is late and that Claude is late. So I'm going to draw a tree diagram for this, okay? So we've got the bus, we've got Claude. So let's see here. Bus is late, the bus is on time. So it told me that the bus is late has a probability of 0.1. Now, Claude could be late, or he could be on time. It tells me that the probability that Claude is late is 0.8. So 0.8. Okay. Part 1 is asking me, calculate the probability that the bus is late and that Claude is late. So that would be this thing right here. So what's the probability that this and this happen? So the probability that the bus is late and Claude is late, right, is 0.1 times 0.8, which is 0.08. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and fill out the rest of the tree diagram. So the probability that the bus is on time is 0.9. Now, if the probability that Claude is late from there, now it says right here, it says if the bus is on time, the probability that Claude is late is 0.05. So late would be 0.05, which means that on time, bus is on time and he's on time would be a 95% chance that he's on time. All right. So sorry for my sloppy tree diagram here, but here's what we've got. We got the bus is late and Claude is late. There's a probability of 0.08. This would be the bus is on time and Claude is late, so we are given this information right here that it's 0.05. Alright, so part 2 says calculate the probability that Claude is late to school. So there's two ways he could be late to school. He could be late to school along this path right here, which we found, or he could be late this way. So the other way he could be late is 0.9 times 0.5. Now, decimals are easy, those aren't hard, but I'm going to just make sure that I don't mess this up. Okay, so the two ways, those are the two ways that he could be late, so add them together. So the probability that he's late, the probability that Claude is late is then 0.125. Okay? Last part of the question asks that it says that the school term is 56 days, so there's 56 days in the quarter or whatever. How many days would you expect him to be late? So this is the probability he's late one day. There are 56 days. So you multiply that together. 7. You would expect him to be late in 7 days. I hope this video helps. Please subscribe. Leave a comment if you have a question. If I mess something up, definitely leave a comment. And I hope this video helps. Have a good day.